What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 16 of the grade. Today we're talking about how to get that film emulation look. Regular film has specific characteristics that people love. It has lifted blacks, muted saturation, has some grain and halation in the highlights. That's what we do to our digital footage to get it to look like film. And so to get that look, what we need to do is apply the film look creator. So you want to create a new node, which will be, I just put one up here for right now, Option S, and you want to go up here and you want to type in film look creator. If you don't have the studio version, you may have to do another way. I will release another way later on. But today we're going to focus on the halation, grain, and bloom. So without halation, we'll turn that off. This is what halation does. That's halation. I'm pretty sure you've seen this. You're recognizing many videos that are emulating film. Adding grain at 35 mil. You can do 16, but I just choose 35. I think 35 looks the best for this. You can adjust the grain if you want, the amount. You don't want it too grainy, so I keep it at what it's set to, just have it there. Then you add your bloom. This is what bloom does. It kind of softens your highlights. That's how you get the film look within your video. If you don't have the studio version, I will show another way later on on how to get a similar look. Thank you for tuning in for day 16 of the grade. And day 17, we'll talk about the music video grade. Deuces.